Hi guys, what's up? Today we'll be talking about Samsung Galaxy Fold and Huawei Mate X comparison. We all know both of the phones are totally the same. They're phablets, tablets, phone, however. And I'm Eddie. Welcome to Dope Tech. We've known for some time that the most heavily hyped trend in smartphone design for 2019 wasn't going to be a new type of notch or a connector to replace USB-C or even battery that needs charging or anything. It's totally remarkably different, it's unimaginable, and it's phablets. I mean, that's what I call them, phablets, because they're phone and tablets. We have two competitors here. We have Samsung Galaxy Fold and Huawei Mate X. These are the two big brands that's brought something new this time. Although we're not sure if how many brands are going to copy the same pattern. Let's talk about display between these two. The Samsung Galaxy Fold is a 7.3-inch tablet when it's unfolded and a 4.6-inch phone when it's in folded stage. Whichever side you're looking at is a dynamic AMOLED display, with the main unfolded design giving you a higher great resolution, while the smaller 4.6-inch display gives you an HD plus resolution. The Huawei Mate X is quite a bit larger. As a phone, it's a 6.6-inch device with an exterior AMOLED display, but when you unfold it, it becomes a full 8-inch tablet. In terms of power, Samsung's announced that the specification for Galaxy Fold, as unveiled its Galaxy Unpacked 2019 Event Talk, has 64-bit octa-core processor. And it's not assured but fairly likely that this time the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 paired with an impressive 12GB of RAM. Well, for Huawei, we don't know much, but it seems that it might just get beaten up out by the Snapdragon 855 processor, especially on a foldable phone with much RAM. When you make a foldable phone, you do interesting things to make the work of camera. And Samsung's gone all out of Galaxy Fold with impressive 6 cameras in total across the camera body. There's a 10-megapixel camera for the covered display, dual 10-megapixel selfie camera, and 8-megapixel RGB depth camera on a main display, and rear triple camera with a 16-megapixel ultra-wide 123-degree. Too much of nerdy stuff. But there are a lot of cameras, okay? And that's what this phone's about. Huawei, however, at least on the model we've seen, there are 3 cameras with no front-facing camera or anything. The way it folds means you can use all 3 cameras for selfie purpose or portrait shooting while still having your subject actually see the camera when folded up, which is a neat application for a folding phone. Let's talk about the battery. This is the most asked question, which one wins for the battery, and considering the fact that it's a foldable phone, how much long can it last in terms of usage? So the Galaxy Fold features a 4380 mAh battery. It's a dual battery to power both of its display, and Huawei Mate X runs off a dual 4500 mAh battery system. That might seem to give the Huawei Mate X a slight edge, but battery life is more than just a number game. The smaller AMOLED display on Galaxy Fold means it has to draw less power to create its on-screen images relative to the larger display on the Mate X. The 5G radios on the Mate X may also draw more power than on a comparable 4G LTE Galaxy Fold. Then there is this question of battery optimization within either phone's processors. On charging side, Huawei claims that it supports up to 55 watts charging, which means it should take just 30 minutes to charge up to 85%. The most important question, the pricing. How much are they going to price? The Galaxy Fold pricing we do have suggests a conversion to around $2,800, but it's not clear if that includes any sales tax. At some places like Australia, it could even go to $3,000. Huawei, for its part, has come to the market with a price point that's even higher. As announced on stage, its list price is of €2,299, that sums around $3,700. It was inevitable that the very early adopters for foldable phones would be expected to pay a premium to pay for all the research and development time. So that's about it for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. We're so sorry that we couldn't upload any video last week, but this is the time we're uploading a video. Please do subscribe to our channel. It really supports the channel, and give it a like and comment down below what's your thoughts about these phones and what do you expect out of them. Do you approve that these phones are actually gonna do great, or are they great game changers or anything? Thank you so much for watching. See you next week.